Hi, in this video I will show you how to change opacity in Inkscape. This is really important and common effect that you can use in your graphic projects. First you need to do is go to the left to the tools and you need to click on selector tool. After that you click in your image, and if it will be selected you need to go to object settings and go to fill and stroke. Or if you want you can always use shortcut Shift Ctrl F. So I click in this option and this window will be displayed now. It is very important to check if you are in the fill mode, because here you will see opacity settings. So if you want to decrease opacity percentage, you need to drag this option to the left side. Like you see, our opacity is being changed. Of course it depends on your preferences. Okay, so our opacity has been successfully changed now. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.